Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Openxr runtime, toolkit package, and headset with developer mode enabled. First, install the SDK and toolkit binary. Make sure the runtime version matches the SDK to avoid ABI mismatches. Then set XR environment variables so tools find the device. Once done, clone the toolkit repository, run your package manager to install dependencies, and open the sample project. This gets you straight into a working baseline without delay, ready for configuration and build. You now configure the toolkit to match your target. Choose the runtime in the toolkit settings, pick required extensions, and set the feature profile so the app requests only what the device supports. This prevents runtime rejections. Next, compile the samples with your toolchain, enable debug symbols for iteration, or strip them for release builds. Then integrate the toolkit layer or plugin into your engine project, adjust swap chain size and performance presets, and run a local test to verify rendering and input flows. You finish by performing a full end-to-end test on the headset. Start a session, confirm rendering layers appear, and validate input and haptics. Once successful, package the build for the target platform, include the runtime manifest and any required libraries, and deploy. If something breaks, first check runtime logs for denied extensions or session errors. Then validate that ABI and API versions match between toolkit and runtime. Mismatches are the most common cause. Finally update or roll back the runtime as.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.